Hi Beauts, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Flower, and today we're going to be creating this look right here. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to be priming my face. That's what I'm going to do. So that's the first step. So lately I've been using my hard candy stick it to pores primer, but I think I'm going to mix that with a little bit of Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer, just like around the T-zone area, since it's, you know, the weather is getting pretty warm and I don't want to have any like oil slick looks, you feel me? So let's make sure we mat this T-zone down to the ground, honey. For the eyebrows, let me see, around the nose, even smile lines. Make sure you prime those really good. And then the rest of my face, I'm just going to prime with the Hard Candy Stick It to Pores primer stick on the cheek area, and then the rest of my forehead. I currently have nothing on my brows right now, as you can see, and we're just going to fill them in. I'm going to be using the Iris Beauty Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. Yeah? Okay. I'm going to be taking the NARS Caramel, what do you call this? The Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm just going to clean up my brows with this color. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking my Morphe M173 brush. I'm just going to just blend everything, blend the concealer, get those harsh lines out the way, you know, the huge. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to be prepping my eyes. We're going to be using the same concealer, the NARS. I really like this concealer as an eyeshadow base because I feel like it has like a very just a matte finish, and I just feel like it's a perfect eyeshadow base. Just keep it real frank and simple. So I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Amber, which is like this warm orangey tone right here. There we go. So I'm going to be taking this color, and then I'm going to be putting this in my crease with a Morphe E23 brush, which is a fluffy brush. Alright, so we're just going to really just build this color. Okay, so we're just going to build this into the outer crease. Yeah, so next I'm going to be adding the shade Blazing, and it's like more of a orange tone. I'm going to be adding that into the crease. I'm going to be taking another brush. I'm going to be taking my Morphe E28 fluffy brush, and then adding this color. I'm not going to touch the outer V area. I'm just adding this right into the crease. Yeah, yeah. Want you to come on over even if I'm asleep. So for the star of the show, we're going to be adding Angelic, which is like this pretty golden pink color. And we're just going to place this all over the lid. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so after we applied Angelic, see how pretty that is? I'm just going to blend it with whatever was left from the Blazing color, the orange color. And actually I'm just going to be adding like a little bit more. Let's just intensify this a little bit more. So let's put on our eyeliner and our lashes. I'm just going to be putting on these like little wispy lashes right here. These are actually from the beauty supply store. I hate when my pinky does that. OMG. Alright, so eyeliner and lashes are on. I forgot to tell you guys the eyeliner I use the CoverGirl eyeliner right here in the matte black. So now it's time for foundation. I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I got it right. Alright, I'm going to be using a foundation brush. This is the MAC 170. This is new. I just purchased this. They said that this is well, I have been told by more than one person that this is like an amazing foundation brush. Foundation, concealer, contour, and everything. This is, I don't know, I think I'm getting used to it. Maybe I just have to break in the brush because it was like a little stiff, but the coverage that it provides is amazing because it's so dense. So maybe after a couple of wears and washes, it'll soften and this will be my favorite brush. But right now I'm just still testing it out and I'm still just trying to see if it's going to change. Because this brush, I can feel it all in my pores, like it feels really harsh. But yeah. I'm really loving this eyeshadow look. It's so pretty. Okay, foundation is on. Now it's time for concealer. I'm using this new concealer. I don't know if I want to use this one. This is by Sephora. It's called Make No Mistake. Or do I just want to use my go-to Bright Future concealer by Sephora? I'm gonna give, nah. I'm gonna use this one because I know I love this one. And it just feels so nice. This is in the shade Caramel. Yeah, Cream Caramel. And this is like my favorite concealer at the moment. I really like a bright under eye. If you don't know, now you know. I'm gonna be using the same brush. Maybe I shouldn't have used this brush for underneath my eye because it's so uncomfortable. Woo! Alright. But it blends out. I don't know. If you guys have this brush, let me know. Like, do you love it? Is it a little bit rough on your skin? Or did you have to break it in? Like, let me know. Because I don't believe this is normal. I never had an issue with any of my other MAC brushes at all. I love this concealer. You guys go get it. It's a Sephora brand. It's called the Bright Future Concealer. And it's amazing. I'm gonna also contour with this brush. So I'm gonna be using my Black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha. I'm just gonna be taking a little bit on this brush and, you know, do my thing. And then contour my forehead. Because Lord knows I need to. Make that ombre effect. Then I'm gonna contour underneath here. Okay, next I'm gonna be setting with my Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent powder. And I'm gonna be using another MAC brush. This is the 109 brush. So I'm gonna be taking this instead of like a beauty sponge. And I'm gonna be setting in all the places we just concealed. Really set around my mouth because of my smile lines. Those always tend to crease. Set the T-zone area yet again. Make sure this is matte, honey. And then I like to go over my brows a little bit. Okay. Concealing, instead of contouring, I'm going to be using a bronzer, like a glowy bronzer. So this is the J. Manual Beauty Sex on the Beach bronzer, and it looks like this. So it's like a nice, like, it gives you like a nice brown sheen. I'm going to be taking this in a contour brush. This is like an old Sonia Kashuk brush. I just cannot let my old brushes go. They're still good and they're still like in good shape. So it's like, why am I going to throw them away, you know? Right on top of the places where we contoured. So next I'm going to be applying some blush. I'm going to be using Double Blush by MAC. And just a nice light fluffy blush brush. And just adding that to the apples of my cheek. Okay, then next we're going to be setting our face. I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC50. And this is the J. Manual powder brush. I'm just going to set all over. I'm going to be adding amber to my lower lash line for a little bit of extra definition. Then I'm going to line my eyes with the Urban Decay Provision 24-hour glide on pencil. Alright, then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lash line. Okay, and as far as the lips go, what are we going to do for the lips? I'm going to be applying Hug Me by MAC, which is like a nice nude color. And I'm going to be adding, what is this? Peanut Brittle by NYX. It's their butter gloss. Do we need some liner? Let's add some liner. This shade is called Potent by J. Manual. It's like a nice reddish brown. And I'm just adding that on top, see? Yes, yes. 10s across the board. And that is it, Beauts. This is the look that we just created. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also the post notification button, because a lot of people have not been receiving my new videos. So make sure you hit that so you won't miss a beat. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.